Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on a CLK here at the shop, W210, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace secondary air pump on this thing. We already did ignition coil, so let me show you now. You have the engine cover on usually right here, okay, like that. That's where it goes. And this one was broken, you know, that's how we got the car. And what you will need to do, guys, you just need to grab it here on this side, okay, pull on this side, and there is one more towards the back. Pull it out, okay, you can see that's where usually it goes on those. This is the secondary air pump, guys. So now what we need to do, we need to disconnect the wire first for that thing. Okay, so we'll need to press in like that, pull out, and now we'll need a reverse torque socket, okay, like that. And this one specifically is E10. We have the links for the tools and parts we use, guys, on our website mechanic-lifestyle.com. It's in the description below, check it out. Okay, so we'll go ahead, remove the bolt there now. Okay, like that. Now we need to get that bracket loose. Okay, it's stuck really good. I don't think it's ever been replaced. Okay, like that. So you can just pull it out like that, and this is the pump now. Okay, it's important to pull it out of here. Okay, check it out now, that's where it goes. So you need to pull that hose out before you pull the whole pump out, because otherwise you might break a vacuum hose. Okay, like that. Okay guys, and this is secondary air pump right here. So that's how you guys remove it. We install it in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.